How do you use Colourpop's Disney Villains collection to create Evil Queen eye makeup? In this video, my BFF Rini Panzini is going to show you how she uses the color palette to change my Snow White daytime look into a nighttime look using contouring and Evil Queen eye makeup. I'm Nancy Basile of Plus Size Nerd, where we celebrate our curves and our fandoms. Be sure to watch to the end of the video so you can see what my photos look like out in the bright sunlight. If you're excited to see how Snow White makeup can turn into the Evil Queen, give me a thumbs up. And while you're here, be sure to subscribe. That way you'll know every time a new video drops. Do you have to take stuff off?
No, we're going from day to night.
Okay.
This is, okay, so if
So it goes on top of?
Yes.
Okay.
In addition to.
In addition to.
If you were bounding, you could be Snow White in the daytime, Evil Queen at night with just a few tricks.
Ooh, that would be really good for like Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party time.
All right, so Evil Queen gets a more defined brow, but since this is like supposed to be makeup that you can actually wear out, we're not going to do the high Evil Queen. Like she would go like up here and then down and out.
Oh.
I'm just going to make them a little darker and more kind of lined. Most of the Disney villains have the same eyebrows. Like Jafar and the Evil Queen. Picture that.
Whoa.
A little more defined for
Evil Queen.
Woo. Okay. Now we're going to go back into the eyeshadow. And we're going to Evil Queen you.
Oh, okay.
So I'm going to start with the white. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to start with maybe this. That's already on. I'm going to make it a little darker as a transition shade.
Which one is that one?
This is Devious.
Oh, okay.
It's kind of like an orangey. Sunset. Think sunset. And you do like a transition shade that's between your crease and your eyebrow.
Oh.
Think
Okay.
sunset, like across your eye. That's the color should be transition for anybody. And then we're going to put white on your lids. That way we're going to put purple over it, and the purple should be brighter.
Oh. Woo. Baby.
Now we're going to go, I should just use the little spongy thing for the white. There it goes. Alright, so now we're going to do the white on the lid. That way the purple will be brighter. Oh, uh-oh. She don't like it. Yep. She heard it.
It's giving you my Evil Queen stare.
Oh. Alright, Evil Queen, we're using the Forest of Thorns.
Ooh.
Purple.
Forest Thorns. Very excited. Oh, I love it.
Okay, I'm going in with the 101 black, and I'm going to put it in the crease and around, and that
Really?
kind of like outlines the purple. Yeah,
So that's why that's no spots.
right.
Aw. Oh no, now I'm going out into the daytime in my nighttime makeup.
Oh no, what will happen? You better go somewhere with this all this on. Eventually you get used to it.
Whoa!
You're an Evil Queen.
Whoa! Holy cow!
Now we're going to mix the Diablo Gold with a little bit of the white and this. And put it on the inside.
Lordy.
Alright, hold on. Evil Queen, I'm going in with the contour. Because she's highly contoured. So this is Wet n Wild Dual Stick Contour. Dark on one side, light on the other. And I write on her face. It's almost like having... It's like having lipstick on your face.
Really?
Yeah, and then you blend it in with a hard brush.
Interesting.
Suck in.
And you know what I used to wash my face back then?
Oh no, Vaseline.
Well, Vaseline took off like eyeshadow and lipstick and mascara and stuff.
What?
Baby shampoo.
Baby shampoo. I could see that being okay.
Yeah, that's what we would scrub our faces with to get everything off.
Yeah, at least that's got soap in it.
Yeah.
But I think Vaseline is probably not bad because you don't have wrinkles at all.
Yes, I do.
No, you have the normal around the eyes.
There's like one that's like right there.
No.
Yeah.
You can't
I can
see
feel it. I started feeling it the other day. I watched TV. I was like, oh my god.
That's what I do with my crack in the middle of my eyebrows.
It's like a ditch across my forehead.
Let me see. Look at me. Oh. And more evil by the minute. All right, so for your highlighter, I'm going to use a lot of the...
It's like lilac color.
Yeah, lilac.
Holy mackerel.
You got a lot of Evil Queen going on there. Let me see if I can clean up around the eyes a little.
Ooh.
See that? You can see.
Yes, you can.
I like it.
Very cool. Very cool. Look at that.
That's definitely an Evil Queen. But the lips stayed the same.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Hello. Very cool. So am I all done?
You're done.
All right. Woo.
So let's talk about the misunderstood eye palette from Colourpop. These colors, we used these two. We used the purple, and I used some of this gold and this white. They're very creamy, but they're not creamy to a fault. They're not going to get stuck in any lines. The matte colors, the white and these two over here, up here, are very almost a cream chalk. They went on smooth. They blended very well. Colourpop, I know I've heard, is very good. And I think they're not totally crazy expensive. So I think this is great. I think this is definitely worth it. It's got a lot of different kind of combinations you could do. You can really, I love it. I want to see what this tragic looks like. Oh, look at that.
Which one
That's
is
a
that?
gorgeous color, the blue.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we're going to have to do Maleficent with the tragic, I think. You're going to get the blue. Oh, I love it. It's so soft. These are really nice. Nicely pigmented, really soft. I love them. I think they're great. Wait, what's that one? Can we use that? Oh, that's that gold. Look at that. See the gold? Wow. Yeah. Oh, They're beautiful. They're beautiful.
All right, what about
And the lips? Well, you've had the lips on for quite a while, and they didn't smudge, they didn't feather. It's a real matte. So the lipstick that we used the red for the Evil Queen. So we used the red, and it's very smooth, very matte, very dry, but it doesn't, on her lips it doesn't look dry, it's not crackly, it's not flaky, but she feels dry. We're gonna see how long it lasts for the day, because she has it on so far for Snow White and for the Evil Queen. And I think it's been on her for at least an hour, so we're gonna see what happens. But I have a feeling it might be a long lasting, yeah.
Yeah, I think
it's
so
really
too.
pretty. It's really pretty.
The Vaseline's coming out for these puppies.
Yeah. Yeah, I hear you. Because I could tell it's like when you get the corners, I almost just wipe my face with the blue and gold. I think these are great, Misunderstood. The name of that one is just Evil Queen Matte. And I wonder what the other colors are. I'm excited to see when we're eventually going through them.
All right.
Yeah.
So that is Snow White and the Evil Queen.
Yay! And Bibi and Zeppeli.
So what did you think of that contouring? Didn't it really up the evil ante? Tell me in the comments what you think about that. Be sure to like this video so more plus size nerds like you can find it, and be sure to subscribe so that you'll know every single time we post a new video. Want to see how this makeup started out? Click this video so you can see Rini create a daytime Snow White makeup look using the exact same color palette from Colourpop's Disney Villains Misunderstood collection.